CNC Reservoirs and Filler Caps. CNC is an Italian company, been around since 1995. Their racing department was set up in 2010, and since then they've been involved in some proper race action. In BSB they've been behind teams like MotoGP, and in World Championship teams like Pramac Ducati. And in fact they were a sponsor of Altea Ducati when they won their World Championship in Superbike with Carlos Checa, and their kit is good. It's top end stuff. A Reservoir, what am I going to tell you? It does the same job as any other reservoir, but with a certain amount of style. The filler caps on the fuel tank have some definite advantages over others. Number one, it's flush. Look at that. You're not going to get your leathers caught in them if you're in the tuck in a track day, for example, and you can't really get it wrong. It's very positive on and click, and it's shut and it's sealed. Also, look at that carbon fibre inlay. This is just lovely, lovely, top-end, detailed kit. If you want to know any more, click.